I feel like everyone and their neighbor is talking about Claude these days, and I can't blame them because I've been using it for months now to run so many tasks in my business, and I absolutely love it. So today I want to show you how you can create and sell digital products from scratch inside Claude. Now, if you've seen some of my previous videos, you know I talk a lot about creating digital downloads and templates in Canva. So this time we're going to use Claude to make our Canva templates for us and then tweak a few things here and there if we need to. All right, so the first step is obviously to sign up for a Claude account if you don't already have one. So head over to claude.ai and sign up with your email address. Now, there's different plans to choose from, and you can absolutely start with their free version. I personally have a pro account because I use it extensively and need a higher number of credits each day. You might want to upgrade at some point as well if you want more credits and access to more features. In this tutorial, we're going to create a social media template pack because not only is this a super valuable digital product, but they make a ton of sales, especially when you niche down to the specific person that would need them the most. For example, this best-selling listing targets coaches and freelancers, and they're offering a pack of 60 unique editable Instagram templates. So we're going to take this as inspiration and create our own in a matter of minutes. When you're logged into Claude, you're going to go up to the top left where it says customize, and then select connect your apps. This is where you can link Claude to external apps on your computer. So you're basically granting it full access, which is key because this is how Claude is going to directly transfer the designs to your Canva project. To connect any of your apps, just click on the plus sign. You'll see I already have my Canva account connected here. Next, we're going to create a separate project folder inside Claude so that all the work we do for these social media templates stay organized in one place rather than having to start a new chat every single time. So click on New Project, and you're going to give it a name and a description. I've already made my project and I called it Mompreneur Template Packs because that's who I'm making my social media templates for. Now, before we get to designing, you'll see a section on the right side called Files. And this is where you can upload documents that you want Claude to reference when working on a project for you. So for example, if you have specific brand guidelines you wanted to always reference, this is where you would save it. You'll see that I already uploaded my brand brief here, which looks like this. And it took me maybe 2 minutes to create because I actually got Claude to generate it for me. And I'll show you how you can do it too. Open up a separate chat inside Claude. So this would just be on the homepage outside of your project folder where you can generate a brand brief. In my example, I gave it very basic instructions to create a brand brief for me based on what I'm creating, who I'm creating it for, and an idea of a color palette. You can of course get way more creative and descriptive here, but I kept it short for the sake of this tutorial. And within a minute, it actually generated a pretty comprehensive document for me that lists my brand overview, target audience, color palette, etc. I can now download this brief, customize it further if I need to, or just use it as is. It's that simple. All right, let's make these templates. First, if you have any inspirational photos that you want Claude to look at while designing yours, then you can screenshot them and upload them in the chat. So for example, I loved the aesthetic of these social media templates. So I screenshot this image and uploaded it to Claude to give it a sense of the designs that I naturally gravitate toward. To upload the image, just select the plus sign and select Add Files or Photos. Then I gave it this very simple prompt. I'm creating a template pack of 50 Instagram posts. Please refer to the brand brief when helping me design these. I've also attached an inspirational photo of a listing that is performing really well. I love the theme, the colors, and the vibe. Let's make sure mine sticks with my brand colors and specifically targets mompreneurs. But this screenshot is great for inspirational images and quotes. So this is really cool. Within a few seconds, it generated a 50 template design kit with different categories for social media, like tips and how-to, quotes, story, etc. And it shows me how many content ideas it came up with for each category. For example, 12 pieces of content under tips and how-to. And if I want to browse through one specific category, like maybe quotes, I can filter this kit to show me just the content ideas for quotes. Now, if I scroll down, it's asking me which category I want to start creating the templates for first. So I said, let's start with tips and how-to. Now sit back, sip your coffee, and let Claude do its thing for a few minutes, because what comes back is truly mind-blowing. It generated 12 unique tips and how-to template designs inside Canva, each with 4 different options for me to choose from. So it's allowing me to customize this kit with only the templates that I like. And honestly, it did such an amazing job taking the photo I uploaded as inspiration, but also referencing my brand overview, my color palette, and my target audience. So you can scroll through all the options it gives you for your templates to see which ones you like, and you can even ask it to recreate or change things up that you don't like. I'll scroll down to my next step, and Claude is telling me, for each template above, pick your favorite candidate design, tell me which one. For example, template 3, option 2, and I'll save it to your Canva account so you can start editing. So I browsed through all the designs it gave me and chose my favorite options under each template. Obviously, I couldn't choose between 2 options for the first template, as you can see here. And shortly after, it says all 13 designs are saved to your Canva account, which is wild. Now, before we jump into Canva and I show you what this looks like, you might be questioning where to sell these templates in the first place. Of course, you can upload these onto Etsy, but I've been hearing many new Etsy sellers unhappy with the transaction fees. And on top of that, since your listings are always showing up beside your competitors, it's harder to grab your customers' attention. I've also noticed that many shop owners are selling their templates on their own website in addition to their Etsy store. And if you want a completely free option to do this, I highly recommend PayHip, who's kindly sponsoring this section of the video. PayHip is one of the best platforms for selling Canva templates because it's free to create a PayHip account, there are no monthly fees, and it's a super beginner-friendly platform. So you can click the link in the description box below to get started. You can sell all kinds of digital products like courses, digital downloads, memberships, coaching services, and yes, Canva templates. They have an online store builder that allows you to build your store in a matter of minutes with no coding or design experience required. You can also connect a custom domain to PayHip for free, which is just another way to make your store look more professional and gives it more credibility. PayHip also offers automated tax handling for countries all over the world, so you can sell to customers internationally with a complete peace of mind that you'll always be tax compliant. Once you sign up, set up your payout information so you can get paid when orders start coming in. Go to Account, Settings, then go to the Payment Details tab to connect with any payment gateways that are available in your region. Next, go to the Products tab and click Add New Product. I'm going to choose the digital product category for this. And at this point, you would normally just upload a digital file and PayHip can automatically deliver that file to your customers after each sale. But for selling Canva templates, I recommend using PayHip's content editor with this toggle button here. This essentially allows you to build your own download page from scratch, which means you can put your Canva template link here, as well as instructions on how to use your Canva templates. You can even embed a video tutorial or even link to other related products that you want your customers to check out as well. Input your product title, price, descriptions, and hit the publish button when you're ready. If you want to create your own online store for free, click the link in my description to sign up for a free PayHip account. All right, let's continue with our social media template designs. I'm actually going to generate templates for the next category before consolidating them all into one Canva file. So I asked Claude to go ahead and generate designs for motivational quotes. For this category, it came up with 8 different templates. So just like the tips and how-to, it's allowing me to choose between 4 different options for each content idea. Again, some of these are really nice. Others I'm not a big fan of, but obviously we don't have to use them all. And we have the opportunity to customize them if we want. So I listed my favorite options under each template again, as you can see here. Now, since you have Canva connected to Claude, you can open these up directly in Canva and start customizing them right away. For example, if I wanted to edit this progress, not perfection template, I can select edit, open link, and customize the template right inside Canva. But let's consolidate these into one file first. Obviously, if I were building all 50 templates right now, I would repeat the process for all the categories first before consolidating. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's move on. I asked Claude to consolidate the 20 designs we already generated into one Canva file that I can now open. Within a minute, it merged all of these templates into one file called Rooted Mompreneur Instagram Templates. So click on Open Your Consolidated File, and here it is. Here's our social media template pack, which looks really good in my opinion. I can now go into these and customize whatever I want, like the text, colors, fonts, etc. I can swap out some of these images for different ones if I want to, and some of these templates can honestly just be left as is. Now, to share your template pack with your customers, you would click on Share, go to See All, and click on Template Link. This is the link you'll add to your PayHip download page that your customers will access and use for themselves. You can try this entire strategy for all kinds of Canva templates, like slide decks, invoices, ebooks, Pinterest pins, and so much more. Make sure to sign up for PayHip entirely for free using the link in the description box below. And you can head over to this video next where I show you how to sell digital products from start to finish. It's a free 2-hour masterclass that comes with a free workbook. So I'll see you there.